Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Easy English platform. In this session, I am going to discuss about some basic requirements for speaking English which are frequently used in our daily conversations. Today, I will conduct a whole session in simple English version so that everyone can understand easily. I believe this session will play a significant role to improve your speaking and listening skill remarkably, inshallah. So, dear viewers, not going further, let's enjoy the session with due concentration, praying to Almighty Allah for better understanding. Dear friends, to start any conversation, first we should know how to greet someone smartly. There are many ways to greet each other, but in this lesson we'll learn the most common ways. Greeting system may be different based on culture. For example, in Islamic culture, there is a special greeting system prescribed by Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which is applicable to greet all kinds of Muslims in any situation at any time of the day. That is, the Muslims should greet each other by saying Assalamu alaikum. In response, Wa alaikum assalam. Whereas the non-Muslims say hi, hello, hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and so on. In case of known person, we should say Assalamu alaikum, nice to meet you. In response, Wa alaikum assalam, pleasure to meet you. Similarly, hi, nice to meet you. Hi, pleasure to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you. Hello, pleasure to meet you. Hey, Shafon, nice to meet you. Hey, Ronnie, pleasure to meet you. We should keep in mind that the word hey is used to greet someone very close friends, colleagues, or relatives whom we can call by name. Instead of nice to meet you, we can say it's nice to meet you, pleasure to meet you, I'm glad to meet you, it's great to meet you, it's pleasure to meet you, it's pleasure to have finally met you, I'm fortunate to meet you, I'm fortunate to have finally met you, it's really a pleasure to have finally met you. In case of totally unknown person, we should greet in this way, Assalamu alaikum, I am Shamim Ahsan, nice to meet you. In response, Wa alaikum assalam, I am Raki, pleasure to meet you. Similarly, hi, I am Shopon, nice to meet you. Hi, I am Ronnie, pleasure to meet you. We should keep in mind that in case of unknown person, both should mention their respective name in greeting. If anyone doesn't mention his name in greeting, you can ask him, what is your name? If he says his name but that is not clear to you, you can again ask him, what was your name please? What was your name please? Next step of making a conversation is to ask, how are you? We can ask this in many other ways. For instance, how is everything? How is it going on? How have you been? What's up? All of this represent how are you. If someone asks you, how are you? If you are feeling okay, you can answer in many ways, such as I am fine, I am really fine, I am well, good, pretty good, not bad, living in the mercy of Almighty Allah. I am grateful to Almighty Allah. Thanks to God. All of this imply that I am fine. If you are not feeling okay, you can say not very good, going through hard times, so, same as usual, same as always, waiting for good days. There is nothing new. Life was never so worse. All of this imply that you are not in good condition. Then you may ask him about his origin or native town by saying, where are you from? Where are you from? He can say in response, I am from Shirazganj, I am from Rajshahi, I am from Bangladesh, or any other place like this. If you are in abroad, you can mention the name of your country. If you are in your country but out of your district, you can mention the name of your district. If you are in your district but out of your municipality, you can mention the name of your municipality. If you are in your municipality but out of your union, you can mention the name of your union. Similarly, if you are in your union but out of your village, you can mention the name of your village. Next step of making a conversation is to ask about profession. We can ask someone about his profession by saying, what is your job? What is your job? It is correct English, but it sounds very direct. The latest version of the sentence what is your job is what do you do? What do you do? If anyone asks you what do you do, you can answer him I am a banker, I am a teacher, I am a student, I am an engineer or any other profession like this which you hold. We should know about the difference between what do you do and what are you doing. If anyone asks me what are you doing, I will say I am teaching English because at this moment I am doing the job of teaching. On the other hand, if anyone asks me what do you do, I will say I am a banker because banking is my profession. I hope it's clear to you. Sometimes in our conversation we need to introduce one person to another. Then we can say, let me introduce you to my friend. Let me introduce you to my friend. Let me introduce you to each other. Let me introduce you to each other. Do you know each other? Do you know each other? Have you two been introduced? Have you two been introduced? This is my friend Atik. This is my friend Atik. Rakib, Atik is the guy I was telling about. Rakib, Atik is the guy I was telling about. You two have a lot in common. You two have a lot in common. In many situations, we need to invite someone to take tea, coffee or any other drinks or fast food. Then we can invite by saying, how about taking tea? How about taking tea? Have you time for tea? Have you time for tea? Let's have a tea. Let's have a tea. Let's have a drink. Let's have a drink. Let's go for tea. Let's go for tea. Let's go for snack. Let's go for snack. Let's have a snack. Let's have a snack. If someone is interested to take something, he can say, okay, let's have. Okay, let's have. Okay, let's go. If someone is not interested to take anything, he can say, no, thanks. No, thanks, I'm in a hurry. No, thanks, I'm in a hurry. Many times we need to seek permission to talk to someone. Then we can say, may I talk to you? May I talk to you? Have you some time to talk to me? Have you some time to talk to me? Can you give me some time? Can you give me some time? I have something to talk about with you. I have something to talk about with you. I would like to have a talk with you. I would like to have a talk with you. I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you. Do you have the time to talk to me? Do you have the time to talk to me? May I have a talk with you? May I have a talk with you? Let's talk, shall we? Let's talk, shall we? I need your wise judgment about a thing. I need your wise judgment about a thing. If anyone seeks your permission to talk to you, you can say, okay, let's have. Okay, let's have. Okay, you can talk to me. Okay, you can talk to me. Okay, let's talk. Okay, let's talk. Okay, we may talk. Okay, we may talk. In many conversations, we need to draw the attention of the audience. Then we can say, attention please. Attention please. Listen to me. Listen to me. First listen to me. First listen to me. Let me finish. Let me finish. Be attentive. Be attentive. Take my message. Take my message. Are you listening to me? Are you listening to me? Are you with me? Are you with me? Let me say. Let me say. Please let me finish. Please let me finish. I'm about to finish. I'm about to finish. I don't know whether I'm clear or not. I don't know whether I'm clear or not. In many situations, some people may say something unpleasant and unexpected which doesn't go to your status. Then you may warn him by saying, do you know what you are saying? Do you know what you are saying? Are you conscious of your head? Are you conscious of your head? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Are you careful about your word? Are you careful about your word? Think again. Think again. Are you crazy? Are you crazy? You must be crazy. You must be crazy. Don't be crazy. Don't be crazy. If we need to express thankfulness or gratitude to anybody for something, we can say, thank you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm grateful to you. I'm grateful to you. I'm indebted to you. I'm indebted to you. You are the best. You are the best. If anyone thanks you in response, you can say, welcome. Welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. You are most welcome. You are most welcome. Don't mention it. Don't mention it. It was my pleasure. It was my pleasure. It was nothing. It was nothing. At the time of departing from each other, we can say, thank you for lovely moment. Thank you for lovely moment. Thank you for inviting me. Thank you for inviting me. It has been a delightful visit. It has been a delightful visit. So good to see you. So good to see you. Thank you for coming. Thank you for coming. Goodbye. Goodbye. If it is at night, at the time of departing, we can say good night. Good night. Have a nice dream. Have a nice dream. The Muslim should say at the time of departing, Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. Dear friends, if you think that this video will be helpful for speaking English, please don't forget to subscribe my channel as well as like, comment and share the video with your friends. Happy learning. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.